Hi guys, today I'm unboxing this cat tunnel bed that I did receive in exchange for my honest opinion. So when you get it, it comes pressure sealed in this black bag. You're just going to unzip it, and now I'm just going to take some scissors and cut it open. Now that we've got it cut open, you can see that it's starting to expand as we're pulling it out of the bag here. So it has these little bands around it. We're just going to pull those off. That's kind of holding it together. And you see here, as I'm starting to take the bands off, it's starting to get a little bigger. Give me just a second here. Let's go ahead and get this last band off. And there we go. So when you first open it, it is a long tunnel that looks just like this. This is super soft on the outside, and the inside has that material that makes the crinkle sound when the cats run through it. So this is what it looks like, the different openings that it has. Now it also has this pillow that comes with it. You can put in the middle to make it a bed, and right here is where you clip it together. You just put that black hook into that band. So this is what the finished product looks like. My cats are already checking it out and having a lot of fun. It has that little toy ball that hangs down right there that she's playing with. They are really enjoying just running through it. It also comes with this little crinkle cat toy on the side that they can play with. If you're looking for a great tunnel bed for your cats, definitely check this out. My cats are absolutely loving it.